Hey friends, if you encounter the error that didn't work, make sure your Bluetooth device is still discoverable. Then try again. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane and then select other troubleshooters. Now click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. The next one is to disable firewall temporarily. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and then turn it off and then click on OK. The next one is to remove proxy. How would you remove proxy? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. And then go to the connections tab and then click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. The last one is to update the Bluetooth drivers. How would you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth 1. Select update drivers and then update it to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.